Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. I just wanted to surprise my brother with some muffins, and it's going to be healthier muffins. Because it's made with oats and carrots, and the ingredients are 100 grams of oats, 1 carrot that we've grated finely, 50 grams of brown sugar, 30 milliliters of oil, 8 grams baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract. We're using 3 eggs because we have small eggs. If you have big/medium eggs, you can use only 2. And here we have about 60 grams of walnuts. So our first step is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And whilst that's happening, we're going to pulse the oats until we get a powder-like consistency. So we've blended the oats and we got this fine powder-like consistency. And now we're going to add the remainder of the dry ingredients, which is the baking powder, the cinnamon, as well as the salt. We're going to give it a mix and we're going to set it aside. In a bigger bowl, we're going to add the eggs, as well as the sugar, and we're going to mix them together really well. So now that it looks about mixed, we're going to add in the oil. And we're going to mix again. And just a reminder, before I add in the vanilla extract, just a reminder, if you don't have brown sugar or you don't want to use brown sugar, you can use regular sugar. You can also use honey. You can use any form of sweetener that you want. Now we're going to add in the vanilla extract, and I'm going to add in about a cup. And once again, we're going to mix until everything incorporates with each other. Now we're going to add in the other ingredients, so the carrot. We're going to mix in the carrots. And once you mix in your carrots, you're going to add in the oats. You're going to mix in the oats. And now we're going to add in the walnuts. Feel free to add in chocolate chips, raisins. You can add any sort of toppings that you want. We just want to keep this on the slightly healthier side. As well as, like, this is a perfect way to get kids to like eat carrots. So this is the texture that we're looking for. And now we're just going to pour the mixture into our cupcake liners. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop just to make this easier on me. And of course, we're going to fill the cupcakes 3/4 of the way, so we can leave room for them to rise. So the batch that we made has made exactly 11 cupcakes/muffins. And now we're just going to lightly tap it against the surface to get rid of bubbles. And for decoration, we're just going to add a little bit of chopped walnuts. Going to add them on top of the muffin. So I've tapped it against the surface one more time to get rid of the bubbles, and for this one, since it's empty and in order to avoid burning, we've just added some water in it. And now we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for a maximum of 20 minutes, and of course keep an eye on them. So here they are fresh out of the oven, and as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. They also smell amazing. I wish you guys could smell them. But yeah, so now we're going to wait for them to completely cool down before we show you guys the final product. So these are our final muffins. This is what they look like. They're super soft and they smell amazing. So I'm just going to go and eat them, and I hope my brother enjoys them too. And like I said earlier on, this is the perfect way to get picky eaters to eat vegetables, so carrots for example. And I'm just gonna say goodbye right now. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's short video, and if you do like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And lastly, you can further support me on my social media. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!